Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite number 91-0171-05-IP. This is an electric strike lip extension kit is what this is, and let's take a closer look at it. So this model is going to be the 91-0171-05. Okay, so all of that conspires to mean something. You can see you've got a couple of holes back here, and those holes are certainly drilled and tapped for the screws that are going to be included that you're going to use to attach this to the existing lip cavity of your strike plate. The dissection of the part number is really the best way to go about determining what this is and what it's for. And let's go about doing that. So first of all, there's a large document that is included, and this is just called installation instructions, and this is linked to down below. It's a really huge document that just basically shows you what we're looking at here, okay? Okay, that's obviously the part that you're getting, the extension right here. Now, of those three links down below, that's the installation instructions. There's a document called template that is an overview really of the entire series of this item, of the options and accessories, of which extensions, lip extensions, are among them. And there is a link on page 2 of the accessories or template. You can see where that item is called out. Okay. The 910171 is going to be specifically for the 7100, 7110, 7111, 7130, and 7140 series strikes. However, it is going to certainly be the document that is called How to Order that is going to be the important dimension. So what you really need at this point is, depending on your strike, you're using the 910171. What we need to determine is the 05. Let's back up and let's take an overview look at those documents. Now, from our item, we're talking about these links down below. Installation instructions we've gone over. That's that big sheet that's included. The template was the second one, and on page 2 here is where it discusses your lip extensions. Okay, so we are definitely this client is definitely dealing with one of these 5 series of strikes. Okay, by far that encompasses the most common of all strikes, and that's the part number that the client has ordered. However, be careful, don't look at the 01 just yet, because it goes from 01 through 13. So in typical Adams Rite fashion, we kind of need to refer to multiple documents to put it all together, and that's where How to Order comes in. But that's for a 7100 series strike, but we get our A dimension from down here. Okay, this client ordered an 05, so he wants a 2-inch lip extension, which is dimension A, which we're going to find out what dimension A is in a moment. Now, the extension piece that we have is about 15/16, the 05, because what's happening is you need to decide what dimension A do I need to achieve. This client needed to achieve a 2-inch lip length, a 2-inch total lip extension. Okay, so let's pull up a manual or an installation guide of the strike itself. Now, while this link is not in this video is not going to appear down here, by the time you're seeing this video, there will be a 4th link that's called Adams Rite 7100 series template. Installation instructions, which is this length, which I'm just pulling from an Adams Rite 7100 in the site. And that document is here. So dimension A is what we're really referring to. And here's your dimension A, right here. the vertical center line of your screws and the strike out to the edge of your frame. That's dimension A. So once you know what dimension A needs to be, you'll then fall back to determining your two-digit code. And this client obviously had a dimension A of 2 inch. And that's how this is going to work. Now let's resume this video with taking visual and dimensional evidence measurements of this item. Now, of course, this item is going to be, this is just aluminum, and this is going to be, you know, I would think this is supposed to be black. This case is definitely black. So yes, I would say that your extension is black as well and not dark bronze. Okay, so let's take a look at the dimensional properties again. Okay, we are at about 31/30 seconds overall width, or I should, depth. Overall height is going to be 3 3/8, right? Overall projection out here is going to be about 5/8. In the center of the section, it's going to be about 3/16. Okay, and then again your screws to get that all attached and put together. That's really it. There's nothing else to really say about this lip extension. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Adams Rite products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, but also there's a parts manual that's there. And while not every item that Adams Rite has is in that parts manual, much of it is. And as new documents become available to us, that is the page in which we will update so that all possible available encyclopedic reference documents are there in one place. If you have any questions on the Adams Rite, this is their part number 91-0171-05, a lip extension to achieve a 2-inch dimension A from the center line of the screws and the keeper itself all the way out to the edge of the lip, or any other Adams Rite product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.